Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make ravioli. At the end of this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this, we need first for the ravioli, fresh pasta sheets. The link for making fresh pasta sheets is in the description below. 1 egg, half teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 1 teaspoon pepper, 250 gram ricotta cheese strained, 250 gram spinach, 1 cup grated parmesan cheese. For the sauce, you need 600 gram tomato passata, 4 chopped garlic cloves, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste, few basil leaves, and 4 tablespoons olive oil. Now for the recipe. First for the filling, in boiling water add spinach and blanch it for 30 seconds. Strain the spinach and run it through cold water to stop the cooking. Chop the spinach and keep it aside to let it dry. Next, in a bowl, add ricotta, parmesan, fried spinach, nutmeg, salt and pepper. Next, crack an egg into it and mix everything together. Next, apply egg wash to the pasta sheet. Add a teaspoon amount of filling on the pasta sheet at regular intervals. Next, fold the sheet and make sure that there are no air bubbles between the fillings. If there are air bubbles, then ravioli can open up in the boiling water. Do this for the remaining ravioli sheets. Apply dry semolina to the ravioli to stop it from sticking to each other. Next, set a big pot of salty water on high heat for boiling the ravioli. Now for the sauce, in a pan on medium heat add oil. Once the oil is hot, add garlic and cook it until it's light brown in color. Once the garlic changes its color, add passata, salt, chili flakes and basil and mix. Once it starts boiling, turn the flame to low and cover and cook for 30 minutes while stirring in between. After 30 minutes, turn off the flame under the sauce. Next, add the ravioli to the boiling water and it will start floating in the boiling water in around 2 minutes. Once it starts floating, transfer it to the sauce and mix. Your ravioli is ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, add tomato sauce on a serving dish and add ravioli to it. Grate some parmesan cheese on top of it and garnish it with fresh basil. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, add some tomato sauce on one side of a plate and hit it with the back of a spoon. Add ravioli to it. Garnish it with grated parmesan cheese and fresh basil leaves. Your plate 2 is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.